What are you trying to do? Hmm? You put it back on my foot? No? Put it back on my foot? No? You're gonna wear it? I think it's a little too small for you. Wow. Wow, look at your shoes. Wow.
Wow.
Emma? 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 What are you doing? Hmm? Hmm? What's your name? Emma, good job. So smart. Look at the mess you made. What are you doing? What do you need?